Hi dear Pharma Talks friends. You know what is definition of risk, fault, failure, hazard, and quality risk management. 1. Fault. Fault is essentially an inability to perform as expected, resulting in undesirable performance without considering the underlying cause. I can provide a few examples, such as a television not turning on properly, a washing machine malfunctioning and not being able to wash clothes, or a lack of internet connection due to a faulty modem. The second word is failure. In fact, it refers to a fracture or wear, which is a structural weakness that causes an object or a tool to break or get damaged. This can have various causes, such as excessive use or structural issues. For example, one might mention several reasons, such as the breaking of eyeglass frames due to a fall, the deterioration of a rubber glove due to prolonged use, or engine failure due to a defect in the suspension system. In technical terms, these are referred to as failure. The next topic is hazards, which are essentially a type of risk associated with physical, chemical, and biological factors. These can pose dangers to humans, the environment, and other living beings. For example, a fire is a physical hazard that can harm people. If we want to list some examples of hazards, we could mention heavy traffic, which can be a health risk for individuals, or toxic chemicals found in household products that pose dangers as well. Additionally, bacteria and viruses can also be recognized as sources of hazards, as they have biological origins and can transmit various diseases. The next topic is quality risk management, which is essentially a systematic approach for assessing controls, establishing communication, and examining risks associated with the quality of a pharmaceutical product throughout its life cycle. This process utilizes various tools and methods to continuously improve product quality, reduce quality-related risks, and enhance customer confidence in the product's quality. For example, it evaluates potential risks, provides control solutions, and conducts a more specialized and detailed examination of the product's quality. The next word we want to discuss is risk. Risk actually relates to two concepts: the probability of loss occurring and the severity of that loss. In other words, it always considers these two aspects together. Risk indicates the likelihood of a loss and the potential amount of that loss. For example, if we want to take a look at a specific area where an earthquake has occurred, we might ask how much risk there is of a landslide in that area, meaning we are considering both the probability of a landslide and the potential damage it could cause. Similarly, if we talk about an area where there are criminals, we might ask how much risk of theft exists there. We can also discuss the risk of customers defaulting on their debts to companies. All of these examples illustrate the concept of risk.